So let's get started with putting on our first colors. We got blue for the inside. I will have this duck as an example, so that tan part. And then dark blue for the body part. We got orange for the feet. Oh no, wait, I was gonna do yellow. Yellow for the feet and the beak. Pink for cute little cheeks, like on this duck. And this minty green for beautiful leaves on the top. Now that we have our colors, we're going to need our clay tools. I've got these little plastic ones. Most of them came with the set, and down in the description below, I'll tell you where you can get these things. Alright, let's get started on our body. I'm going to clear all this stuff out. Okay, now we have our blue, and I'm just going to make it first into a ball. This always helps, because if you make it smooth and round, then you can make it into an oval. I will speed this part up. Alright, we're definitely getting closer. It's not quite there. Probably needs a little bit more rubbing. If you think there's anything wrong with my videos, or you'd like something else to be... I've been doing my hardest, but this crack on here just won't go away. So I'm just going to see if I can rub that in and start mostly over. It's alright if you get a few mistakes. These will, you'll probably make a ton. I think it's because this clay was a little bit dried out that it's like that. I'm going to see if I can use some of my tools to kind of buff it out, maybe. Okay, that looks worse. I'm trying my best, but it's not very good. Alright, we're going to say that's good. I'll just make that the back. And now I'm going to start shaping it into an oval shape. You can do this however you want. I'm kind of just playing around with it right now. I'm going to make my penguin pretty tall. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, blue for blueberry penguin. Well, blue looks like a normal penguin. So we're going to have to try our best to make it not look like a real normal penguin. Hopefully, I do not turn out with something that's not as good. Alright, I think it's time to move on to the next step for the face. Now that we've got our body mostly good, sorry if the camera's wiggling, I open this and I'm just going to get out, that looks so satisfying, as much as I need. I probably won't need all of this. And now that I'm done, I'm going to definitely put this clay away. You do not want this to dry. It's sticking! Okay, well that was horrible. It started sticking. But I think it's okay now. I'm just not going to set it down anymore. Let me rub it in and get it more used to. Okay. I think it's doing better now. Okay. Yeah, it's not sticking anymore. Alright, let's do the face. I tend to notice penguins almost have like a heart shape, if you can see that one. This one looks more like a duck. But see like how it has the heart shaped and then the belly? we're going to try and do that again. I'm just using my tools to slowly cut out a heart shape. Alright. Hopefully this does not stick anymore. I'm going to make it flat on the bottom because like you can see, hold on this duck, it really doesn't have any point. Alright, that was way too thick. I definitely need to make it not so thick. So let's work on achieving the perfectness of a penguin. See what I did there? Perfect nest. Alright, so this is sticking pretty bad. Let's see if I can make it any better. Alright, I'm liking that. Let's use a different tool. That other one wasn't working the best anyway. I definitely want a wider face than I've been doing. I'm liking that. See, it's kind of sticking to itself. I think because this one's more new than some of the others. Some of the others have been sitting out in air. Some have been sitting out too long. Okay, so whenever I try to pick it up, it comes out like this. I'm going to have to think of something else. Okay, I think I have it. I think I'm going to just use the Play-Doh jar lid. Just stick it down on. Ooh, I forgot. It's probably going to get it's getting the Play-Doh print on there, but it's okay. We'll just make that part the back. And make this real nice and wide. Actually, that looks pretty close to what I like it as. Oh, I love it. Alright, that is pretty good. I'm loving that on the Play-Doh cap. Let's see if I can get it off without ruining it. Yes! And it came off. Now we're going to see where I need to put it on my penguin, if I made the face too big, or if I just need to make this body a little more flat. Definitely want to start out with making your tail, because those smaller things are going to dry faster. And if you want this little guy to balance perfectly, or better, and not just topple over, then you definitely want to make the tail in the back. Alright, now squishing it more like this is making him taller. But I want him definitely some chubbiness too. So I'm going to make like chubbiness in the cheeks, kind of. That does not look very good. Anyway. Okay, so there's our little penguin's face. Making clay always seems to surprise me. I thought she was going to be ugly. Well, let's see how he turns out. As far as looking like one of those little video game guys. I'm moving on to doing the belly. I think this part should be easier. But we're going to see how it turns out. And we'll go together through this on all the mistakes and all the corrections. Probably you're way better at this than me. Because this is one of my first times. Alright, that is pretty bad. It looks pretty bad, but for the neck and everything, I think it's gonna work. Oh gosh, I just stuck it to the paper. I do not want anything overlapping. So I'm gonna cut that off. Okay, it looks like Santa Claus almost. But there's our front and our belly of our cute little penguin. Next up, we're going to do the wings. Alright, now I have scavenged some more of the blue. I hardly had any left from making this penguin, but I think we were already running low on it before. So now for the wings, I kind of want to make them a little bit more flat. Okay, so there's what I have so far. Cute little wing. I want to make the ends like more pointy, and then I'm going to make a hole in my penguin to where I can put them in. Oh my goodness, guys, this one almost came out like perfect. I love the wing shape and size. Look at that. I might want to make this one a little more thick. I'm just afraid to mess this one up because I didn't have any more clay. Alright, I'm liking this. I just have to kind of... No! Destroy it. Those wings are totally different sizes. I think I can use this extra to make it almost... Got it! Alright, this is perfect. Now I'm going to use... I'm going to do like a little hole in the side. I'm going to try and get that even. I think I did pretty good. One of my first times making clay. Clay creatures, I mean. Alright, that looks kind of cute, almost. I want to say, let's get started on the feet. Okay, moving on. Hold on. Okay, sorry, here is where my voice went out and I started doing time lapse. But here I just put on the feet and the cheeks, and I'm working on the eyes. Now I'm making the feet, eating a blueberry. And here I'm making a top hat, because I was talking about how the top of the blueberry was different. And I just put a band around it and put some little cute little berries, and then I was kind of playing with the characters.